Hey, so it's been a while since I've uploaded to YouTube, and I thought my first video of 2024 should be on how I find some of my photography spots and a few tips that might help you when you're finding your photography spots. So Google Maps is probably one of my favorite tools to use because it's so diverse. You can find photography spots for almost every type of photography that people do, whether it's landscape, whether it's street, whether it's portraits. You'll always be able to find a photography spot with Google Maps. And the one thing I do love about Google Maps is probably Street View, because Street View, you're able to see what the spot looks like before you actually get there, which helps you with planning. Of course, you can't plan the whole shot just using Street View, but it's nice to have. And I think almost 70% of my spots are found using Google Maps. The next way to find locations is Instagram. Instagram is incredible for all types of things, from posting, watching reels, but also to find locations. You can find so many locations using Instagram because of location tags and hashtags. Simply just go to the search bar, put in the location tag slash hashtag of where you want to go or where you want to shoot, and you'll find so many different locations from different creators. And most of the time, if they don't have the location, you can always DM them and they'll give you the location. In most times, some people want to keep the spot secret, but most of the time they will give you the location. And I found heaps of spots using Instagram, and you never know what you could find. So Pinterest would be my next suggestion if you're trying to find a photography spot. It's probably one of the tools that I use the least because I only use it when I'm really struggling to find a spot in an area which I've shot heaps in, but it is really good. You'll find heaps of bloggers on there posting about different locations and how to get to them in detail. You'll find long detailed paragraphs on how to get to a spot, especially if it's hidden somewhere. I found heaps of hidden spots on Pinterest using the creator blogs, and it's an amazing platform if you're trying to find hidden gems, especially if you're really struggling to find spots. Now, another way to find spots is to use communities and Facebook groups and Reddit groups, Discord groups, whatever you want to use, and you'll be able to ask people what are some good photography spots in this area or that area. And this really depends on where you're located in the world, but you'll be able to find so many different locations by just asking the community basically. And I found a few locations from just talking to people, photo walks, Discords, Reddit, Facebook groups even. I found some incredible locations just using those and talking and communicating with other people. You don't just have to be solo with it and always scrolling through Instagram to find locations. You can just ask people and I'm sure they'll share your locations. So those are the ways I find my locations when I'm going to shoot. And I hope this video helped you out, especially if you're new to photography and you need a way to find locations.